Hey guys, it's Jake with Dent R Us, and today I was working on a 2021 Hyundai Palisade. The owner of this vehicle was at a local event and upon coming back found this dent in their driver door. It's got a little bit of a scuff and a scrape in there. We'll be able to buff and polish that, and this should repair very nicely. The tools we're going to use for this are metal window guard from Dent. It's got the nice felt backing on the back. The Palisades have the laminated glass, which is two pieces of glass glued together, so we got to make sure that we protect the edge of that glass. Next is the door lords and tactical handle. Choice of knockdowns. This is the VIP 2.0 metal knockdown. Really like this to be super precise. And this is the Dead Dent Tools match grade tips. And then I prefer the hardwood Purple Heart hammers. These have really nice responses. Let's get to it.